Here are some of the world's most popular dishes. Number 5. Sushi. A healthy and yummy dish from Japan made with vinegared rice, vegetables and seafood that is often raw, such as salmon, tuna, eel, squid or other. Number 4. Fried rice. Originally from China but widely adopted by most of Asia, this recipe stir-fries cooked rice in a wok with other ingredients such as meat, seafood, vegetables and eggs. Number 3. French fries. Maybe French, maybe Belgian, these little strips of deep-fried potato can be found all over the world, either served as a snack, a side dish, or the main course. Number 2. Hamburgers. Probably invented in Hamburg, Germany, this patty in between buns recipe is now an icon of the United States, where it was improved with cheese, bacon, and more. Number 1. Pizza, an Italian invention that is perhaps the best known dish on earth. A flatbread flavored with tomato sauce, basil, cheese and other toppings of your liking. Simple but tasty. Hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching!